Did you know that Albert Einstein was bad at math? Or at least that's what many questionable sources on the internet say. So don't believe everything you see on the internet. I'm Olivio, and you are very welcome to the Mystery 1K channel. Albert Einstein was a German theoretical physicist, born in Kingdom of Württemberg, German Empire, on March 14, 1879. He developed the theory of general relativity, one of the pillars of modern physics, alongside quantum mechanics, although best known for its formula, where E equals energy, m equals mass, and c equals the speed of light in vacuum. Einstein died on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76, in Princeton, New Jersey. Einstein was a genius, with an estimated IQ of 160. The idea that Einstein was terrible at math is a myth, and it probably started when someone looked at his report card pictures, seeing that the highest grade was a 6. One piece of information that was missing here is that 6 was considered the highest possible score that someone could get in the education system where Einstein studied. In high school, Einstein had excellent grades. He had straight A's in math and physics, in addition to taking very high marks in history and geography. Despite that, he wasn't perfect. He had a lot of difficulty in French and technical drawing. The same goes for your university years. He had the highest grades in his class. That said, Einstein wasn't a perfect student. He already got a minimum grade in the basic physics lab, because of absences. He did not like to attend classes, which caused friction with the teachers. And this caused him difficulties in getting a job at the university after graduation. I hope this video has shown that we don't need to diminish the success of brilliant people to show that they are human. Thanks for watching. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel to help it grow.